What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be doing another mostly week of coin finds video. We have quite a bit of finds on the table here. These are all they're from 7 days worth of finds, but I don't have every single find here. If you guys remember a video that went up, well, currently it went up today, July 11th, the video where I found that silver dime, right here in one of the rolls. I got about 50 cents worth of extra coins that I didn't show here, and I also have, in that same hunt, I found a dime in one of the penny rolls that also isn't shown here, but I just wanted to mention that those are finds. I just have already, spent those and, gotten rid of those. So, anyway, we have quite a bit of coins here. I'll tilt this a little bit so you guys can see. We have everything. We have like a whole bunch of stuff here, so I'm gonna go from the top and go to the bottom. We even have silver, guys. We even found silver this week, and some other cool finds, including a few rare bank finds. So, anyway, I'll start off. Actually, I won't really go in order. I'll just start off with the less interesting stuff, and then I'll move on to the more interesting stuff. So, obviously, the stuff down here is more interesting, and even this is more interesting. But I'll start right here. We found another dime in the. I'm only showing this one because I just found this one today in a roll. So, 1966 Philadelphia. And again, not silver, but if it was 2 years back, it would have been silver, like that one. We also have a few toners that I found in a few different hunts. I think like a couple different hunts. This 1966 is beautiful. It has some really, really nice toning on it. I don't know if that will pick up on camera, but it has some really, really nice toning on it. Might even be a special mint set coin. I'm not sure, but I gotta look that up. But that one's going in a flip for sure. And then we got a 69S, which I thought was nice enough that I would keep. This one's a zinc one, and it's pretty new, but it is my birth year, and I really like the toning on it. It's probably artificial, but it is a 2006D, the year I was born, and it has some really nice rainbow toning on the front and back, so I'm also keeping that one. And a few nicer coins. These two are zinc, but they're also in really, really nice condition. We got I'm dropping it and probably scratching it up a bunch. This 1989D is also really nice. I find a bunch of 89Ds that are in like this condition, so that one's nice. I decided to keep that. We got an 87D, which is also pretty nice. The only thing is it does have a few spot marks on the back mainly, so that's one bad thing. And then the 74D I got in another roll also. So those are the nice toners, I guess you could say, and nice cooler coins. And then we have a bunch of Canadians here. I don't know how many exactly are here. Here specifically, I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got 15 Canadian pennies this week out of a few different penny hunts that I did. Like 3 different penny hunts. One was a full box, one of them wasn't a full box. But we got 15 Canadian pennies, including these two right here. So these ones I found in today's hunt. I got a 1964 Young Head Canadian in pretty rough condition, and a 1950 King George, the 5th penny, also in kind of rough condition, although I have that one in my book already, but I'll still keep them, obviously. And then these two I found in that hunt of the coins that I got the silver, were the lady who dumped a bunch of coins that wasn't a coin raw hunter. There were 2 Bahamian 1-cent coins in there. One that's the same size as a U.S. penny, which I think the Bahamas might have changed the design and made it a little smaller in recent years. Because this one is from 2001. This one is from like 2015. So they must have changed the design on those. Those are really cool. I can actually say now that I have found one before, because in one of my most recent penny hunts, I did find one. And in the Canadian pennies here, there are some copper ones. I think most of these are copper. But there are 1 or 2 Zinkans in there as well. And then I said the dime. We also have 2 1974 S's. I had a third, but it was in really, really rough condition, and it was really worn, so I decided not to keep it. These two still have some luster on them and some good detail, so I decided to keep those. We also got a 2017 minted Philadelphia penny with the Philadelphia mint mark on it. I don't see those too often. In fact, this is the first one that I found in like 6 boxes, so that's a pretty rare find for me. And then I'll get into the older Jefferson nickels here. We have all the way going from 1941 to 1959. And obviously, this is the only 40s coin that we found. It was in a custom wrap roll. It's a 1941 San Francisco Jefferson. I keep all my nickels 38 to 59 in Jefferson years. Then we got a 53D. Two 54s. I think two are San Francisco and one's a D. I think this one's a D and these two are San Francisco's. One of them's in pretty rough shape. We have two 57s, both are Denver's, a 58D and a 59D. So those are the old Jeffersons. Also found my first my first 2021 nickel, which is another pretty cool find as well. I'll be keeping that for now. And just a little announcement. Today I did a trade with somebody on Instagram for some of these Ike dollars here. I had like 2 rolls that I got at the bank. If you remember, I got those 2 rolls of Ike from the bank, and I traded him some of those Ike dollars and a silver round that I had in my collection for some coins that he had in his shop. So I did a trade with him. Those coins should be coming soon, and I'm going to ship his coins out soon as well, so you'll probably be seeing a video unboxing those. So yeah, that's a little announcement. And I'm getting a 2021 half dollar in there, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, we got all that. Now down to the better finds, I guess you could say. We have 4 Eisenhowers. I actually had 5. There were actually 6 at the bank, but one of the tellers wanted to keep one, and then I ended up putting one of them in one of the Ike dollar rolls. And obviously, I didn't end up selling. All the Ike dollars, so I'm probably going to take the rest of the bank, and I know they're worth more than face value, but I just can't find anyone who would like to take them. And I feel like no one's been wanting to buy them, so I feel like in that case it wouldn't be worth it just letting them sit in my house when I don't really know what to do with them. So I'm just gonna take these back. I'm just gonna take the extra roll that I have and the extra coins back to the bank for face. And I know they're probably worth a little bit more than face, but I'll let someone else take them. When I got the rolls, someone else probably took the rest of the $200 in Ikes that they had anyway. So. I don't know. I probably will keep these though, because I want to have at least some in my collection. But we got Ikes here, 71, 72, 77, and 78 Ike dollars. And then I'll get to this one last. We got this one's really, really, really nice. It's a really nice coin. It's a 1970 San Francisco Jefferson nickel, and it's just in really, really nice condition. I usually don't keep these, but if they're in really nice shape, then I will keep them for sure. This is a San Francisco. In fact, it was so shiny, I thought it was a proof, but it wasn't. And it even has like at least 2 or 3 steps on it. So not full steps, but very close on that coin. And then this is a first for me. This is one of 2 firsts for this week. Sorry, the blinds are kind of moving. I know the lighting's weird in here, but just bear with me. So this is a 5-cent piece from the Bahamas. It kind of looks proof-like on camera, but it's not. It's just really shiny because it's new. It's a 2016 Bahamas 5-cent piece. I've seen people find these before, and I've always wanted to find one, but I finally found one in that hunt. The same hunt with the lady who turned in those coins, where I also got those Bahamas coins. I'm thinking that lady probably went to the Bahamas. She took a trip to the Bahamas with someone, and collected those coins and just gathered up a whole bunch of coins and put them in rolls. And then for the wheat cents, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 wheats for this week. Again, in like 2 different penny hunts, I found these wheats. If you can believe this, 3 of these wheat pennies I found in 3 rolls in one hunt. One of the hunts, I only had 3 rolls of pennies, and I got 3 wheat pennies and 1 wheat penny in each roll. So if you can believe that, that's really crazy. So they're ranging in here. We have 3 from the 40s, I think. Oh no. We got 4 from the 40s and 3 from the 50s. So first one is a 1942 Philadelphia in pretty bad shape. Found that one in today's hunt. 44 Philadelphia, also in pretty bad shape. 45 San Francisco, in better shape. This 46 Philadelphia. These 50s ones I found in today's hunt. A 56P, and then this one down here is a 56 Philadelphia, or Denver, sorry. And then this last one is a 58D, so those are the wheat cents. And this is probably the find of the hunt, of the week's worth of coins, because I don't find many of these, and this is another first for me. And you're like, Andrew, how is this a first? You found silver dimes before. I found silver dimes in Coinstars, and I found them in people, like, giving them to me and, like, asking for if the cashier has any, like, silver coins. I've never found a silver dime in a coin roll. This is my first time I've ever found one in a coin roll. So this is a first for me. I've never found one in a coin roll. I've only found them in Coinstars and stuff like that. Those are the only times I found them in the wild. So, yes, and I have a whole bunch of silver dimes that I found in the Coinstar basically over since I started collecting. So, yeah, so that's quite a bit of finds. I'm really surprised on how basically the amount of finds that we had. We pretty much had every category, right? Except for maybe proof coins. But, we got old Jeffersons, we got cool foreigns, we got big dollar coins, we got Wheaties, we got cool coppers, almost everything you can think of except for maybe a proof coin or a West Point quarter, which I hunted quarters this week, but I didn't get anything in them. So if I had gotten something, I would have shown it in here. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed anyway. I gotta hurry up because I have a box of pennies to roll up, and it's 4:10 p.m. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Peace.